Hello everyone, Caroline here. Today I want to share with you continue of my article about REST assured, and with help of API from our internal project Zio, I want to show you two HTTP methods like get and post. And here we have our empty list of items, and we want to create something for now with help of Java. Here I create earlier toString, URL and endpoint, and here I have a test. I create name CRUD test, but for real this was only create and read from these acronyms. Okay, start from response. And for get method, we can create our given. From get method, we have only get and simple. Here we can press our URL string, URL and endpoint. And that's all. That's all from get method. We have here all our items on the list. But there's no item on the list, so we can print this. Next, we can create post method, and here we have our given content type for sure, like application JSON. Next, we need to send a body. Here we have JSON map. And next, in when, we choose our method, and here we have post. In post, we need to give URL and endpoint. And yeah, that's all from this. But one thing for sure we need to add is assertion. Assertion we can add in then, and then after then we have and we have status code, we have body, we can a lot of things that we can compare. But I wanna show you how to do this in simple assertion, because it's also usable. So in assert, we can check really simple assert like response. So here we should have 200. And status code. And that's all. That's one line. Can check out for us this. We can also create in matcher assert like our content type. Yeah, here we have two assertions. Oops. Here we can also simply check assert for response, for status code. Yes, and this a few line we have. We can also here can get a salt. To make sure that everything was created in good way, but we have assertion for this. I want to only show you with the console. Okay, here we have a empty empty list like I showed you earlier, and here we have items. We can also watch this here, so everything goes right.